Arvind Kejriwal emerged from a police station in Radhanpur in North Gujarat to say that he had been stopped briefly on his tour of the state by senior policemen who questioned him on whether he had permission to hold his roadshow. He alleged that this was Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi's attempt to harass him because he is exposing Mr. Modi's claims of development and clean governance. The AAP chief alleged that Modi is completely anti-farmers and there's been no development in Gujarat. Mr. Kejriwal is on what the Aam Aadmi Party calls an unplanned 4-day tour of Gujarat to audit Narendra Modi's performance as the man who has governed Gujarat for nearly 13 years.
अगर गाड़ी पे स्टिकर लगा है तो हम इलेक्शन कैंपेनिंग कर रहे हैं, मैंने कहा तब रोक लीजिए, लेकिन हमारी किसी गाड़ी पे स्टिकर नहीं है। मैंने कहा जो स्टिकर वाली गाड़ी है उसको रोक लीजिए, बाकी को आप नहीं रोक सकते, बाकी मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट में नहीं आती हैं, तो उन्होंने छोड़ दिया। अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं।
क्या आपको लगता है कि विक्टिमाइजेशन किया जा रहा है पुलिस की तरफ से?
नेचुरली ऊपर से सुबह ही हमें पता चल गया था कि सारे डीएसपी को ऑर्डर दे दिया गया है कि किसी भी हालत में केजरीवाल को रोको, क्योंकि बिकॉज आप देख रहे हैं जनता किस तरह से जुड़ती जा रही है और जगह जगह 2 जगह 4 आदमियों को भेज के मोदी जी काले झंडे भी दिखवा रहे हैं अपने लोगों से, तो वो सब करेंगे वो लोग।
अभी मेरे पास खबर आई है कि गुजरात के पाटन जिले में राधनपुर गांव के नजदीक अरविंद केजरीवाल जा रहे थे। उनके पास कोई झंडा नहीं था, किसी उम्मीदवार के साथ नहीं जा रहे थे, कोई चुनाव प्रचार नहीं कर रहे थे। उनको पुलिस ने रोक लिया और उन्हें थाने में ले जाया गया। अगर एक पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री के साथ गुजरात में इस तरह का व्यवहार हो सकता है तो मैं नहीं समझता किस लॉ एंड ऑर्डर और उसकी किस उपलब्धियों की चर्चा गुजरात सरकार कर रही है। ये तो थोड़ा अजीब लगता है।
Let me now go across to my colleague Tejas Mehta, who joins us from Ahmedabad. Tejas, it's been an action-packed day really for Arvind Kejriwal, who's on an unplanned 4-day tour in Gujarat. Take us through some of those details, including Kejriwal claiming that he's being victimized by Mr. Modi for being there in Gujarat to actually make an assessment of his development claims.
Well, Shweta, that's right. I mean, this happened very, very quickly. I was in the morning in Ahmedabad and then we have travelled across North Gujarat. We are on the way to Bhuj, and that's when at a place called Radhanpur, this is the police station where Arvind Kejriwal claims he had been detained for a while, but the police claim he was not detained. What really happened before this at Radhanpur itself in Patan in North Gujarat was that we had all stopped for a small meeting with his workers right here, Aam Aadmi Party workers right at Radhanpur itself, and there was a huge crowd on the road, and then 100 meters from there about 200 people were protesting with black flags, with placards saying Arvind Kejriwal is anti the Narmada project, he's anti the people of Gujarat, he's a Congress stooge and a Congress agent, and they were protesting. There were policemen on either side of the road trying to stop them. Of course nobody touched his car or tried to pelt a stone. He was allowed to go, but immediately as he came across from there, he was stopped by the Gujarat police, and he was brought inside right here. Now Arvind Kejriwal claims they were questioning him regarding permissions, regarding whether or not he was violating the model code of conduct, but when we asked the police, they are saying they had not detained him. They had simply brought him here, given the fact that there was, some sort of security hazard because there was a large crowd there. And they brought him to safety rather, but nothing else. So Arvind Kejriwal claiming that Narendra Modi is victimization by the Gujarat government, given the fact that he is right here on a 4-day tour of Gujarat, trying to expose the claims of development by the Narendra Modi government. In fact, he visited 2 villages in the morning called Echwad and Sami villages, and their villagers spoke to him. Many of them, of course, were Aam Aadmi supporters, but they spoke to him complaining about what they did not have in Gujarat, what Narendra Modi had not done, and Arvind Kejriwal gave back political retorts saying, if that is the case, if you're unhappy with the BJP, why do you vote for the BJP? Why do you vote for Narendra Modi? Throw out the BJP, throw out the Congress and vote for the Aam Aadmi Party. Listen in to what Arvind Kejriwal had to say.
यहाँ पे कितने लोगों को बिजली कनेक्शन, सिंचाई एक शोर में, अच्छा किस किस को मिला, जरा हाथ खड़े कर दीजिए। आपको मिला है सिंचाई के लिए? अरे नरेंद्र भाई तो कहते हैं 24 घंटा बिजली देते हैं। अभी उत्तर प्रदेश में गए थे नरेंद्र भाई, बोले हमारे गांव-गांव में 24 घंटे बिजली देते हैं हम लोग। नहीं तो खेत के लिए ही तो बिजली चाहिए, और किस लिए बिजली चाहिए? अच्छा, नरेंद्र भाई बोलते हैं कि उन्होंने बहुत सारे चेक डैम बनवाए हैं सिंचाई के लिए। उन्होंने कहा है कि कई लाख चेक डैम बनवाए हैं, कई लाख। यहाँ कोई चेक डैम है आसपास? नहीं, कोई चेक डैम नहीं है। कौन सी पार्टी की है? तो बीजेपी को वोट क्यों दिया फिर आप लोगों ने?
ने सुना है कि गुजरात में बहुत विकास हुआ, रामराज आ गया, तो हम वो देखने के लिए आए थे, सीखने के लिए आए थे कि हम भी देखना चाहते थे कि किस तरह का विकास हुआ है। और अभी एक गांव से होके आ रहे हैं, तो वहाँ का तो एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा नहीं रहा। मुझे लगता है ये जनता को सोचना है कि हर 5 साल में चुनाव होते हैं, हर 5 साल में बीजेपी, कांग्रेस, एनडीए, यूपीए, वही चेहरा, वही लोग, वही एक बारी ये चेहरा, एक बारी ये चेहरा, एक बारी एनडीए, एक बारी यूपीए, एक बारी एनडीए, एक बारी यूपीए। अब तंग आ गए हैं लोग। चुनाव लड़ना ना लड़ना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है देश के लिए। देश के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है भ्रष्टाचार और महंगाई।
Well, that was Arvind Kejriwal, and this is only day one of his 4-day tour here in Gujarat. These are going to be 4 very hectic and politically charged days, because not just him, but many other AAP leaders, 26 in fact, are across the state of Gujarat, travelling across every district. And then after 4 days, Shweta, they'll be out with their reports. So, of course, this is a political rally in a sense, taking on the lion, of course, in his own den.
All right, Tejas, of course, very politically charged indeed, and you've been trailing Mr. Kejriwal and will continue to do so. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on his unplanned 4-day tour in Gujarat. Tejas Mehta there reporting from Gujarat.